Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by working fast. Clean the spot thoroughly so the paint will adhere. Dirt ruins repairs. Once done, dry and inspect closely. Identify a scratch, chip, or exposed metal and measure it in millimeters so you can choose the right filler and paint. Next, mask around the area to protect surrounding panels and set out sandpaper range 400 to 2000 grit, primer, matching touch-up paint, and clear coat. Make sure to wear gloves and a respirator. Safety matters. You now perform the detailed execution. Sand the defect and feather the surrounding paint so new layers sit flush. Begin with 400 grit to remove roughness, then refine to 1000-2000 for a smooth transition. Once smooth, apply thin primer or body filler if metal shows. Use multiple thin layers rather than one thick one, because thin coats cure and shrink predictably. After primer cures, apply matching base color in light, overlapping passes. Make sure to let each pass flash so runs don't form. You finish by sealing and refining the repair. Spray 2 to 4 thin clear coats, allowing full flash and cure between layers so the finish levels and hardens. Once cured, wet sand starting at 1500 grit, then move to 3000 to remove texture. Follow with rubbing compound and a finishing polish to restore gloss. If you see orange peel, runs, or poor color match, sand the clear to a smooth surface, re-clear or blend the edge, and polish again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.